If your Linux terminal still looks like this, you are missing out. Today I'll show you how to build a clean modern terminal setup using Ghostty Zsh, Starship, Fastfetch and a Nerd Font. Let's get started. Ghostty is one of the newest terminal available on Linux. It's fast, lightweight, GPU accelerated and looks great without requiring a ton of configuration. This is the setup we all be building today. First, install Ghostty using your distro's package manager. Once installed, launch it. At this point, it should already feel smoother than most default terminals. Log out and back in, then verify that ZSH is active. Next, install JetBrainsMono Nerd Font. This gives us all the icons you all see throughout the setup. Now let's make the prompt look modern. Install Starship. Then generate a preset theme. I am using the Tokyo Night preset, but you can choose any style you like. Now let's make Ghostty look even better. Now let's add Fastfetch. Generate a configuration file. Customize it however you want. I am using a minimal layout with system information and a small distro logo. Looks much cleaner than old NeoFast setups. And that's it, no complicated Ryzen, no hundreds of plugins, just a clean terminal that looks great and stays fast. If you find this setup useful, leave a like and subscribe. And if you want the complete configuration file, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, I'll see you soon in the next one.